Take a ride in the 2024 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.